Where are we going? I don't know. Ayaw nila i-accept.
Kasi nga rush hour, te.
Damot nyo eh, no? Grab na lang tayo. Te, 300! Sapakin ko mukha mo. Damot
It's rush hour
no?
kasi, guys. It's... What's that?
What's that?
5:50.
Te, magsisix na kaya naman pala. Oh, no! I want that. Alam mo, super linaw nun.
Oo nga. Gusto ko nga din.
Sige.
Gusto niya ilagay yung camera sa ibang table.
What's the chica? What's this? I look like weird. What the fuck?
She's reading Chica, guys. Look at my nails pala. Look at my nails, guys. Ayaw mag-cover. Hey! Like, mapakita ko pa yung guys, look, I'm wearing the necklace. The necklace she gave me. So nice now. Bagal magbasa nito.
Feel ko sa ano? Kailan siya uwi?
25?
Tagal! Oh, I'm gonna die, guys. I'm hungry. What the fuck?
Guys, I like
Cool
my...
yan.
I like it. Oh my god, my face. Oh my god, my pores. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit?
I'm hungry.
Ay, alam mo, ayoko yung malinaw yung camera kasi kita mo yung pores
Ito.
mo eh.
Alam mo, pag nag-cake na yung makeup mo,
Oo, kita siya.
oh, it's so good.
Patong mo na, for real.
Hi, guys.
Guess the bill.
It's 2K, guys.
2K, guys. 2K.
It's only 200.
Bro, no 200. 400.
No, I mean...
So we're 200 each. Yeah. We only
Oh,
gas
it's allowed
cost.
2K, but here...
Ano ba? Wala mo, ikaw masyado ka nag-uubuti.
I'm trauma.
Ano trauma? Trauma.
Uy, let's go to ano.
Traumatized? Trauma. Guys, my feet hurts. I'm wearing heels. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna use my phone, bro.
Why you love it?
Yeah. I don't know, it's allowed to film here, guys.
It is.
Maya is so kulit.
It is. Masyado lang siya nag-overthink kasi nagbawa lang kami sa Rangford.
Where's the exit? Here.
Saan tayo?
I don't know.
Coffee.
Where?
Ito na.
Here.
Oh. Look my fit. Fit check. Fit
I
check.
want to take a picture where?
There oh. There nga.
That bagay, I'm wearing red.
Ano naman? It makes you stand out more kasi it's dark there.
Oh.
Stupid. My feet hurts, guys. I'm just not showing it kasi mapaprove nilang tama sila. Nasasakit pa. So no, it doesn't hurt.
Ganda.
Yeah, it's the ganda here.
I'm doing workout in Sabot.
Really? Glutes?
Yeah, like... Oh. Girl, dun ako nahihiya.
I think I deserve to buy makeup. No, I don't. No.
Oh, bakit mo deserve? Anong ginawa mo?
Kakagraduate ko lang. Kakagraduate ko lang. Ano?
You're...
Pinaghinapan ko yun. Anong way?
I mean, hindi ko ba nakapag-buy ng for yourself, bro?
Bakit? Saan tayo pupunta?
Go! I know this.
My feet hurts. Palit tayo. Gusto mo? Yun ako.
I don't want to suffer.
Shut your mouth.
Yung pwedeng sila.
Ako.
Ew. Wait.
Bastos, ew. What's this? Oh, Japan.
So Japan.
It's Japanese. So. Pero ako na makeup na.
So ano tayong cookies talaga? Puta ka.
Oo nga, ito nga. Ito na nga. Maghahanap na nga, di ba?
I'm gonna film you guys.
Uy, look.
What?
Jewelry. You wanna check? Ayoko.
Let's go down. Here. Ay, fuck.
Di ba ito gagalaw? Di ba ito gagalaw?
Ewan ko din.
Bakit ako tignan ko lang?
Fuck this. Fuck this. Ass. Ba't hindi yan? Here.
Let's go to Apple.
I'm shy. I'm shy. Ano ba kasi ang ako ko? Gusto ko yung young. Asan ba?
We're in Apple. Look. It's so nice. Uy. Look at this.
What is it?
We have this one. Yung kapag tinitwist, ay.
Oh,
Kulang sample. Ay, nakatape. Hydrating serum. I want. I like the lalagyan kasi. Should I? Yeah, 60. Wag lang ganun. Should I buy? Should I buy?
I think it's mura lang. Just kidding. We're gonna go grab some sweet. So don't buy.
Ba yan?
Yeah, don't buy.
Really? Are you sure?
Oo.
Salamin pa talaga siya.
Wait. Kaya away talaga. Let's see. Plus 20 plus 20 plus 20.
First stop.
Caramelized.
Where the boyfriend?
Why?
You're weird.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Sumunong uga. Bisco.
Bisco. Meron ba? Walang bisco.
Spice cookie caramel. Ayun nga.
Ay, pala. Bisco.
Gagamitin mo pa kwarto ko.